Alright, once again, you are welcome to today's mathematics class. In today, we shall look at the topic variation. And from what we have on the board, variation means differences between two or more items. Therefore, variation as a topic in mathematics simply means the difference or the differences between two or more variables. The symbol for variation is this, and this symbol is called proportional or sign of proportionality. Now let's talk about the types of variation we have. Types of variation. Types of variation. We have number one, we have direct variation or direct variation. Two, we have inverse variation. Three, we have joint variation. And then four, we have partial variation. So these are the four types of variation we have: the direct variation, the inverse variation, the joint variation, and the partial variation. We shall take these types of variation one after the other as we discuss and solve miscellaneous exercises on them. Please follow me closely. Alright, look at the question on the board under direct variation. Remember I told you guys that we have four types of variation: direct variation, inverse variation, joint variation, and partial variation. So we're taking the first one, which is direct variation. Look at the question on the board. If x varies as the square root of y and x is 40 when y is 400, find the A relationship between x and y. B, value of x when y is 900. Please follow me closely as we solve. Solution. Now, we are given that x varies root y. Now, to remove this sign of proportionality, you introduce a constant. Therefore, introducing a constant, x will be equal to ky. Now, at this junction, you make k the subject of the formula. You can visit you can go down and see other videos. I've talked about the subject of formula. So making k the subject of formula, we divide both sides by what? Root y. So divide both sides by square root of y. So in doing that, you have that k will be equal to x over root y. Alright? So substitute the value given in the equation. So from here, k will be equal to x is what? 40 over root y, that is root 200. So this will be equal to 40 over root 200 is 20. Okay, sorry, root 400. Y is 400. So root 400 is 20. 0 and 0 will cancel out. 4 divided 2 is 2. So k is equal to 2. So substitute the value of k in this original equation. So doing that, you have that x will be equal to 2 root y. 2 root y. So this is the relationship, the equation or relationship between x and y. Now B, you are going to find the value of x when y is 900. So x is equal to 2 root y. So x here will be equal to 2 root 900. So x will be equal to 2 root 900 is 30. So x will be equal to 2 times 30 is 60. So therefore, x is equal to 60. Okay, look at the question on the board. This example 2, still under direct variation. Now, the length of rod is directly proportional to its diameter. If the rod length is 60 meter and the diameter is 180 meter, find the length when the diameter is 360 meters. Solution, please follow me closely. Now, the length of rod, let the length be L, varies directly up to its diameter D. Now, remember I told you to remove this kind of variation or the percent of proportionality, you introduce a constant. So L is equal to KD. Now make K the subject of the formula. You now have therefore K will be equal to L over D. L over D. So substitute the value for L and D. You have that K will be equal to L if the rod length is 60 meters, 60 over diameter, and the diameter is 180 meters. So this and this will go. So you are left with 6 here, 1 over 6 is 18, 3. So K is 1 over 3. Therefore, the equation, the relationship between X and Y will be substituting it here. You will have L is equal to 1 over 3 D. So this is the relationship connecting the two variables. Now, going further, it says find the length when the diameter is 360. So L equal to 1 over 3 D. So this L will be equal to 1 over 3 times 360. So 3 here 1, 3 in 36 is 12. You add the result, that's 120. Therefore, your length is equal to 120 times 1, which is 120 meters. Alright, so this is your final answer. Please, if you have any question as regards this or any topic in mathematics, drop it at the comment section below this video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends and follow. Alright, and hit that bell if necessary, okay? Any question, don't forget, drop it at the comment section. I will attend to that question as soon as possible. See you in the next video where we will talk about inverse variation and joint variation and probably partial variation. Love you all.